Okay, on this one, took off the door panel. Door panel had to remove. Okay, here's the electrical connection for the mirror. You just connect this, and then there's 1, 2, 3 bolts to take off the mirror. That's all this to that. Okay, this is the old mirror removed. Now this back part here has the 3 bolts I was talking about. And these go on the inside of the door glass. It goes like this. That's what holds the mirror on. So you just take those 3 out. Just connect the cable here and pull the mirror out. But be careful when or if you're replacing a new one, you don't want to drop the mirror and break it. I got the new mirror. This one cost $100 used. I repainted it black to match the car. With the door panel off, that's where the mirror goes in. This hole, and the wire comes through here. And you align the bolts with these holes here. The bolts are sticking through. Let's put the nuts on and tighten down the mirror. So there's usually 3 bolts that hold it on. Tighten down the 3 bolts in here. Make your electrical connection. And then just refasten the after that, just refasten the trim, put your door panel back on, and the rearview mirror will be installed.